Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best complete breakfast toaster that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Amazon Basics 2-slice toaster. This budget-friendly option is perfect for anyone who wants a simple, no-frills toaster that gets the job done without breaking the bank. With 6 browning settings, it lets you customize your toast to perfection, whether you prefer light golden slices or crispy dark toast. The extra wide slots are a nice touch, accommodating bagels and thicker bread slices with ease. Plus, the removable crumb tray makes cleanup effortless, an essential feature for busy mornings. In terms of design, the toaster sports a sleek black and silver finish that blends seamlessly into most kitchen aesthetics. It's lightweight, compact, and easy to store, making it ideal for smaller kitchens or dorm rooms. While the 900 watts wattage is slightly lower than some other models on this list, it's still powerful enough to deliver consistent results. The extra lift lever is particularly handy for safely retrieving smaller items without burning your fingers. On the downside, this toaster lacks advanced features like defrost or reheat functions that other models offer. However, at just $23.74, it delivers excellent value for money and is perfect for individuals or small households who need a reliable toaster for their daily breakfast routine. It's definitely a great choice for those on a tight budget. Coming in at number 4 is the Greenlife 3-in-1 Breakfast Maker Station. This compact appliance is designed for multitasking, making it a great choice for anyone looking to prepare a complete breakfast without the hassle of juggling multiple pans and appliances. The dual ceramic griddles are perfect for cooking eggs, sausage, bacon, or even pancakes, all while offering a healthy, non-stick surface that's free of harmful chemicals like PFAS and PFOA. The bonus toast drawer lets you toast 2 slices of bread simultaneously while your meal cooks up top. Its design is practical and space-saving, with cool touch handles and a tempered glass lid that allows you to monitor your cooking without losing heat. The built-in timer is a thoughtful addition, ensuring your food is cooked to perfection every time. However, the appliance's 350-watt wattage is lower than some of its competitors, which means the cooking process might take a bit longer. It's lightweight and easy to store, making it ideal for smaller kitchens or apartments. While the Greenlife 3-in-1 Breakfast Maker is a fantastic option for those who want to cook multiple breakfast components simultaneously, it does have its limitations. The toast drawer is smaller than a standard toaster, which might not be ideal for larger bread slices. Still, for under $40, it's a versatile and affordable appliance that's perfect for individuals or couples looking for a multifunctional breakfast station. In third place, we have the Nostalgia Classic Retro 3-in-1 Breakfast Station. This versatile breakfast maker is perfect for those who love a retro aesthetic but still want modern functionality. With its wide 2-slot toaster, non-stick griddle, and egg steamer, you can prepare eggs, toast, bacon, and even steamed veggies all at once. The toaster features custom settings and functions like toast, defrost, cancel, and bagel, giving you full control over your breakfast. Plus, the included silicone egg ring ensures perfectly round eggs or pancakes every time. The design of this appliance is truly eye-catching, with a retro aqua finish that adds a pop of color to any kitchen. It's compact yet sturdy, and the metallic finish gives it a premium feel. The 1500-watt wattage ensures efficient cooking, and the LED display is easy to read, allowing you to track your cooking progress. The included silicone egg ring ensures perfectly round eggs or pancakes every time. The design of this appliance is truly eye-catching, with a retro aqua finish that adds a pop of color to any kitchen. It's compact yet sturdy, and the metallic finish gives it a premium feel. Cleanup is also a breeze, thanks to the non-stick surfaces and removable egg tray. However, it's worth noting that this model is slightly bulkier than some other options on this list, which might be a concern for those with limited countertop space. Additionally, while the griddle is great for small portions, it might not be sufficient for larger families. At $59.99, the Nostalgia Classic Retro 3-in-1 Breakfast Station strikes a good balance between style. Functionality and value, making it a solid choice for retro lovers and multitaskers alike. At number 2, we have the Nostalgia 3-in-1 Retro Breakfast Station, a step up from the classic retro model in terms of versatility and capacity. This appliance combines a 5-cup coffee maker, a non-stick ceramic griddle, and a 4-slice toaster oven, making it a true all-in-one breakfast solution. The toaster oven is spacious enough to toast 4 slices of bread at once or bake smaller items, while the griddle is perfect for eggs, pancakes, or bacon. The coffee maker comes with a reusable filter, saving you money and reducing waste. Its retro design in sleek black is both stylish and functional, with chrome dials that add a touch of vintage charm. The ceramic non-stick griddle is eco-friendly and easy to clean, while the built-in timer ensures precise cooking. This model is slightly larger than others, but its space-saving design means it's still a great choice for smaller kitchens or dorm rooms. At 1500 watts, it's powerful enough to handle all your breakfast needs efficiently. On the downside, the griddle and toaster oven might take a bit longer to heat up compared to standalone appliances. Additionally, the coffee maker's capacity might not be sufficient for larger households. Priced at $69.99, the Nostalgia 3-in-1 Retro Breakfast Station offers excellent value for anyone wanting a single appliance to handle their morning routine, especially coffee enthusiasts who want an integrated brewing option. Taking the top spot is the Krups Breakfast Set Stainless Steel Toaster. This premium toaster is designed for those who demand the best in performance, style, and capacity. With dual independent control panels and 4 extra wide slots, you can toast up to 4 slices of bread at different browning levels simultaneously. The 1500-watt power ensures fast and even toasting, while the 6 browning settings give you precise control over your results. The defrost, reheat, bagel, and cancel functions are intuitive and versatile, making it easy to customize your breakfast. The design is sleek and modern, with a brushed stainless steel finish that complements any kitchen decor. The high lift lever is a thoughtful feature that makes retrieving smaller slices safe and convenient. The removable crumb tray simplifies cleanup, and the cord storage keeps your countertop tidy. The blue LED indicators add a contemporary touch, enhancing the overall user experience. Priced at $96.71, the Krups breakfast set is the most expensive option on this list, but its premium build quality and advanced features justify the investment. It's ideal for families, entertainers, or anyone who wants a reliable, high-performance toaster that excels in both form and function. While it doesn't have griddle or coffee maker capabilities like some other options on this list, its superior toasting performance makes it the ultimate choice for toast aficionados. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.